Hi guys, another day, another vlog. So, yesterday my friend and I was planning to go to Bottomless Lake today. And then something came up. My husband said that the cabinet guy will be here today at 9 a.m. to put the hardware in our cabinets and change the doors that they need to be changed. So yeah, they're already here. They're putting the handles, guys. So I want to show you. So we'll see. Our plan is 11 a.m. If they finish before 11 a.m., I'm going with them. But if not, I stay home with Michael. Stay home. Stay home with Michael. Hi. Michael, where are you going? You stay there, okay? So guys, they just left, guys. So here's our handles. As it looks nice. So that's our handles there. So they installed the handles, the cabinet hardwares, and they fixed that one because there's something open, so they put caulking there. And then what else here? Oh, so guys, anyway, they removed the door there because they need to take it to the store so they can fix it. So this is the handles, guys. Here's the handles. It's all done. And the other side, here, there. So looking good. That's great. Oh, they fixed this one as well because there's scratch here, so they replace it. This looks beautiful now. So what do you think, guys? It's beautiful, isn't it? It's nice. So this is the drawers are one here. So yeah. So what do you think, guys? Oh, by the way, guys, when the plumber came here to install our dishwasher, he didn't screw the dishwasher because the dishwasher is supposed to attach the countertop. So the plumber didn't do it because, you know, it's a quartz and maybe he's not comfortable to put holes in it. So yeah, they attach it, guys, as well. So the buy plate here, metal plate, so the dishwasher will attach in there. So yeah, that looks nice. So if you remember, there's a lot of boxes in here, and now it's clean. And then we did hang the TV. Remember, the TV was under the window, and then the other TV we put it in our bedroom. So it looks looking good. So yeah, this is the kitchen. Almost done because they need to fix that door first. So after that, we're done with the kitchen, guys. So yeah, that's our new kitchen. My dream kitchen. And then I was planning to go with Lynn at the Bottomless Lake, but the cabinet guy finished the work at 12 something. So yeah, I didn't go with her. Maybe next time we're going there. So in that area, guys, the bottomless lake, there's few lakes there, but there is one specific lake that people can swim. If you can see, guys, the electric fan that we bought at Home Depot turns out beautiful. And so yeah, and then I'm cooking rice for the biko. I'm gonna make biko today. So biko is a Filipino delicacy. Oh, by the way, yesterday, I want to show you this, guys. So yesterday, we put flag and wall plates here. So this area, this 1, 2, and 3 is open circuit. Like you can see the wires on it. Rice is cooking. So while waiting, I'm going to edit my video, guys, because I'm almost out with the videos. I haven't edited like a long time. Like I think it's straight 2 weeks I didn't edit video because my sister-in-law was here, and you know, we just hung out and like that. It's nice to have a dedicated office. We haven't put trim. We put the door, but I haven't painted it yet. So maybe next week I will start painting the doors so we can put a doorknob. So yeah, that's the plan. So guys, I'm going to edit my video right now. So see you later. If I cannot come back, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys. Hi guys, good morning. Another day, another vlog. So today we are going, we have a golf tournament. So I'm substitute, so I will play today. So I haven't played in my whole life, so I hope I can hit the bull. I can hit the ball. So yeah, exciting. So right now I'm going to drink, of course. Hindi to mawawala. In my routine, coffee. So yeah, this is my first time playing golf. So I think I need to stretch my body so it won't hurt after. So see you later guys. I want to drink my coffee because we're going at 7 a.m. Good morning, baby. And we're off to the golf tournament, guys. So where's the golf tournament will be held? It's in New Mexico, right?
The Nemi Golf Course.
Huh?
The Nemi Golf Course.
Mini golf course?
Nemi.
Mini?
New Mexico Military Institute.
Nimi? Okay. So guys, we're off to the golf tournament. So it will be held at Nimi. New Mexico Military Institute. And my husband is here. So, yeah. God bless to me. I hope I can hit the ball.
You can hang on to the club.
What if I hit the ball and the golf club will fly? That would be funny. Embarrassing. So, okay guys, see you later. What is it called, the tournament? Veteran Support Charity Golf Tournament. So, yeah, we're here waiting for our team. I don't even know what golf club do I use. Teach me, love. Let's hit the ball. Maybe
I want to wait for Lainey to get here. I want to figure it out if we're playing it all or not.
Okay. So we're waiting for our team to come, guys. This is the golf tournament. Looks like. So guys, this is our golf cart. And golf started. We're gonna find them.
We need Ralph to hit his tee shot.
Golf tournament is started. First time golfer here. What do you want to do?
This is basically hole 1. So we're starting at hole 2. So
Hole 2, okay. First time golfer, I don't know how to use the golf club. Are you sure, Bibi? You don't want me to drive?
maybe later you can drive. We'll see.
Oh my god, I remember when Juliana and I first time.
Now you've driven a car a little bit more. But really just treat it just like you would a car. You know, you're looking out in front of you where you're going, not right there.
Yeah, I'm looking here. I think that's what's my problem. Okay guys, see you later. Wow. First try.
That'll work. Practice your swing a couple times. We're recording this one too, so when we got the hole in one, we'd know. You hold that close.
We're at hole 16. 16, 17, 18, 1. So 3 hole left. Where's the ball go? Uh-oh. Hit it. Hi guys, it's already 12:30 p.m. so we just done our golf. We just done golfing and now we're going to grab lunch or eat lunch. So at least I hit the ball. I
And
got
didn't drop the club.
yeah.
You didn't teach the club how to fly.
Yep. And
Bravo.
I shoot the ball, guys, at hole 8. Not bad for the first try. Right, love?
And a really good putt on hole 8.
It was fun. I enjoy it. We're gonna go back there, love, okay? We're gonna go back there, play more golf. It was fun. So yeah, we're headed to get lunch. So see you later, guys. Hi guys, we came home from golf tournament at 2 p.m. and then after that, I took a nap right away. And yeah, I took a nap like 2 hours. So now it's like past 7:30 p.m. already. So yeah, we just ate dinner and then right now I'm going to load a laundry and then after that I'm going to edit my video. So yeah, it was fun. Definitely I'll play golf again. Even I didn't hit 3 times. I didn't hit the ball 3 times for the first time. And then guys, after the golf tournament, they have lunch gathering. So you eat lunch there and then they give us this raffle number and then we won. So it's funny because we're talking about to buy a charcoal grill and then we won a charcoal grill and I want to show you guys the charcoal grill that's in there. So yeah, we won this one. So you see there, it's 30 inches charcoal grill with offset smoker plus cover. So we won that one, guys, and then they also provide a like breakfast, water, drinks, and then like they give away this one. It's Elks for Bits and looks like nice. So we got 2 for me and my husband, and then they give this can opener. I think this is a kitchen. I'm going to load our laundry and then after I load our laundry, I'm going to edit my video here. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, my love. How's the golf today? How was the golf? It was fun. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. See you on my next one. Bye guys. Mwah.